it's me, Indar, mom of Ayaran. It's very nice to meet you again. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a bag using wireframe and eco-printed leather. But before I start, as usually, please support my channel by subscribe, give me your thumb ups, share, and leave your comment below. Thank you. Okay, these are the main exterior. I use an Ecoprinted leather. I made it from the goat skin. I made it myself. We need 2 pieces and 1 for the base, and we also need interlining. And these are for the linings. The shape is a little bit different, but if you want to make the same with the exterior, it's okay. And these are 2 pieces for the slip pocket. Next, we will need a zipper, and these are 2 for the recess zipper, and this a set of wireframes, and this for zipper pocket. You may watch the detail of the pocket on my previous video. And these are for the base. I use EVA foam. And this for the straps, long strap and the short ones. Well, first we have to iron the interlining and the main exterior. And here I start to make the slip pocket. Well, now put the pocket to the lining, and the distance is about 9 cm from above. Okay, this is how I arrange the lining of the recess zipper to the zipper. Just put the right side of the lining to the wrong side of the zipper and then stitch. Put the exterior of the recess zipper on it and then top stitch it. the zipper pocket. The position of the pocket opening is about 10 cm from above. For the detail of the zipper pocket, you may watch my previous video. I already made there are two kinds of the zipper pocket. Okay, for the short strap, first we have to cover the end of this webbing. The position of the strap is 11 cm from the edges. Okay, finish with the strap. It's time to join the main exterior. Just put their good side together and then stitch their edges. To sew the base, don't forget always start and stop the stitches just precisely on one seams allowance. In this case, I use 1 centimeter. And don't forget to make a small cuts as well on their every corner. Top stitch on its long sides. And this is how I make the base, the interlining for the base. I just make a cover for the foam, and then I put the foam, I slip the foam inside it. And this is how to attach the foam to the base. Just sew the foam to the short side of the base. Now we will sew the lining. Just put their good side together and stitch their edges. Put the recessed zipper on its place, and we may take the slider off to make our work easier. have to close the opening, and we may use hand stitching on it, and then we have to make a top stitch all around. And after we make the top stitches, we make the second top stitches just 1 centimeter below the first. And then slip the wire inside of the tunnel we already made. Well, for the finishing, what we have to do, just put the slider on again, and then make a hooks, make end tabs to secure the zipper. And well, the bag is ready now. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel by subscribe, give me your thumb ups, share, and leave your comment below. Don't forget to hit the notification button so you will get notification if I upload the new tutorial. Well, thank you for watching. See you on my next tutorial. Bye.